Fire Daniel. Bridge. This is heading on Maruro. I have this call here. This is about and fire in Daniel. Over. Daniel Patrol. This is Bridge. Receive. Standby. Get clear of area. Over. Sound the general alarm. Fire drill.
Intentional to, sensual. Fire, proceeds to the my part proceeds to the fire station. Repeat.
Proceeding to one location. One, two, three, five, six, seven. That's number 2.
Fire team report. Fire team are written in red. Verify myself team. Check self-breathing apparatus. Check radio. Check fire hose.
Self-contained breathing apparatus. Check. Air pressure full.
Self-check. Fire hose ready.
Body system. Do not enter alone.
Bridge, this is fire team leader. Fire team proceeding to Indian home entrance. Martin leader, this is a bridge. Seek precaution. Report situation over.
Understood. Over.
Senior, educational group. I get compliment. Good job, everyone. We will conduct the meeting now. 13 teamwork actions.
We proceed to fire station. Verify man option and self-contained breathing apparatus. Attack imaginary fire. Using fire hose. And boundary pulling was applied.
Any problems during the drill?
Communication was clear. Master was passed.
Now that drill completed.